Have you ever found yourself pondering about the magic behind creating your own e-commerce website? Today, we unravel that mystery, breaking down the process into clear, manageable steps. First things first, define your goals. What's the purpose of your website? Who's your target audience? What products or services will you offer? Having a clear vision sets the stage for your e-commerce journey. Next, you'll need to choose a platform. Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, the choices are plenty. The key is to select one that aligns best with your needs. Once your platform is chosen, it's time to pick a domain name and find a reliable hosting provider. Remember, your domain name can make or break your brand's image, so choose wisely. Now, let's talk design and layout. An intuitive, visually appealing design is crucial. User experience and mobile responsiveness should be your top priorities. Next up is product management. Organize your products with clear titles, descriptions, images, and prices. A user-friendly navigation system is a must. Ever left an online store because of a complicated checkout process? Avoid that by setting up a secure shopping cart system and a streamlined checkout process. Don't forget to ensure secure payment gateways. Security is paramount in e-commerce. Implement SSL certificates for data encryption and regularly update your website's security features. In this mobile era, optimizing your website for mobile devices is non-negotiable. It's a surefire way to reach a broader audience. Want to be found? SEO Optimization is your answer. Implement SEO best practices to improve search engine rankings and visibility. Before you launch, test your website thoroughly for functionality, compatibility, and performance. Only when you're satisfied with the testing results should you go live. Post-launch, it's all about marketing. Develop a strategy to promote your website through social media, email campaigns, and other channels. Customer support is another key component. Provide clear contact information and implement customer support features to promptly address inquiries and concerns. Don't forget to use analytics tools to track website traffic, user behavior, and sales. These insights will help you adjust your strategy for better results. Lastly, updates and maintenance. Regularly update content, products, and security features. Address customer feedback and continuously improve your website. Remember, the specifics will depend on your unique business needs and the chosen platform. The world of e-commerce may seem complex, but with these steps, you're well on your way to creating a successful e-commerce website. So, are you ready to make your mark in the e-commerce world?